Dave, thank you for that update. And breaking news from overnight, firefighters have put out a grass fire. It sparked in San Jose, and that's where we're going to find KRON 4's Tiffany Justice. She's live for us, I believe, actually outside of a fire station. Tiffany?
Yes, we are at a fire station here in San Jose. We do know that this was a very visible fire. Many people saw it. And we also know that it was burning right on the mountaintop. But thankfully, there was a fire station very close, about 10 minutes away from where that fire was burning. And this is some video that we shot for you this morning of the burn scars left behind. The fire burning overnight extremely close to that home. Firefighters were able to put it out before it impacted any kind of structure. We also want to show you this viewer video that was sent in during the peak of that fire. The San Jose Fire Department says it was a Tier 2 wildfire on Mount Hamilton. They sent out crews with their strike team along with CAL FIRE, also sending out units, and it looks like that fire burned around 1.5 to 2 acres overnight. People even driving by tweeting out about it, saying how visible the fire was from the freeway. We are still working to gather more information about this specific fire here in San Jose from the San Jose Fire Department. As soon as we learn that information, we'll bring that to you. Reporting live in San Jose, Tiffany Justice, back to you.
Tiffany, thank you for your ongoing coverage of this fire. And we have an update on a